Modify, Extended Data Types, EDTs. We will now look at the steps to create an EDT extension. Expand the AOT node. And then expand the Data Types node. Expand the Extended Data Types node to find the required EDT. Right-click on your EDT and select the option, Create Extension. An extension will be added into the project. We recommend that you rename the extension, to avoid conflict with any extensions that are rolled out during application updates. For demo purposes, we will use default name. You can change the properties like label, help text and string size, etc. For example, change the label and set the string size to 100. Click Save. Perform a build by right-clicking the project in the Solution Explorer window, and then selecting Build.